We just went on a walk with my mum and my dog, and we're going up like a long hill, but it's not a very steep hill, it's a long hill. So yeah, let's go. Let's just run up to my mum. Oh, yeah, it's still going. Yeah. Oh, look at those ducks over there. Hello, duckies. Bye-bye, duckies. I'm taking a video of our trip. Can you see those ducks over there, guys? Let's go a bit closer to them. See those ducks just there? They're in like a triangle shape, like two there and then one behind. Let's go. Oh, there's another ducky. Two more duckies. Four. Maybe four. Let's go run up. I'll just show you my two little doggies. There are all three duckies. Maybe four. Just not so sure right now. Look, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's just my finger, sorry guys. I just got a little bit of that dog in my video. Okay. My video's still going, and it's another dog. That's just a dog, guys. We've had 2 dogs so far. What's it from my dog right there? Part 1 complete.